Oh, hi, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now today, we're unveiling the baddest motherfucking McLaren on the market, the Jeffree Star 1 of 1 765 LT. Come along. Today, we're not in the beauty room, we're here in the garage, and McLaren, one of the most iconic car companies, is coming over today and they're showing me samples of a car that we are currently making. It's for their new model. It's called the 765 LT. LT stands for a long tail, and this is one of their most insane cars that they've made. It is basically the 720, but like super charged, and the body has changed a little bit. It's more insane, and I'm obsessed. Coming from nothing all the way to this moment, I'm just feeling really humbled and grateful because McLaren wants to work with little old Jeffree Lynn. So I'm a little shook right now, but we are creating a cotton candy dream car. Yes, kind of like this mirror, kind of like this hair, but in their own way. And they're giving me the option to create everything from the interior to the seats to the paint color. I'm able to customize it all and make a true Jeffree Star cotton candy car. So, of course, we have the 570S here and the iconic Senna done in Tiffany blue. I wanted to add another McLaren to my collection. Now listen guys, having car companies make Jeffree Star vehicles is truly like something I never thought would ever be possible. So we have Rolls Royce working on a car, now we have McLaren, and soon I am working on another massive project. You guys, I'm having a lot of fun. So McLaren is about to be here. Nick and Dallas are here and they run the Newport Beach location and they are amazing. So let's go say hi. Here we have Nick, what's up man? And we have Dallas. Hey there. From McLaren Newport Beach, and we are here to see the maybe final paint swatches and leather interior samples for the insane 765 LT.
Based on the renderings that we looked at last time and what MSO designed, I think we came up with the perfect color for you.
Oh my God, okay. I cannot wait to see this. So just a quick intro. Before I see anything, we had one round of an idea. I basically want a cotton candy McLaren, something really pink and insane that they've never done before. And they were almost there, but they weren't quite there yet, so I'm excited to see this. Ooh, what is that little pinkness right there? Oh my God, whoa. So the light hasn't even hit it and I already like it, which is a really good sign. We have to go look at it in the sun immediately. Come on, let's go look.
So much movement.
Oh my God. Woo! It looks insane. Wow. Yeah, the shift is nuts with that like glitter in there.
Oh my God.
It's like ice pearls, or what do you guys call those?
Pearlescent, yeah.
Wow.
So is that what you're looking for?
It looks stunning.
Yeah.
Woo! Wow. Wow.
So this
this
shows the same color, the body color on the wheels. So we'll get this flip paint, this color stream paint on the wheels itself.
Yeah, see all these blue carbon is gonna be flawless. Wow.
So you can see the nostrils are in blue carbon, louvered fenders.
Oh my God.
There's your interior.
Oh,
jeez. It's like a spaceship.
Yeah, so we're doing carbon fiber racing seats, all blue, and then this will be the leather. Oh my God, yeah, this with that is nuts.
The blue that you see here is carbon fiber.
And then you see these little panels.
And then there's little,
I didn't see those.
There's little blue accents of leather.
Oh
crazy, I see it now. I totally see it.
Door handles, the vent bezels are wrapped in leather.
What color is this stripe? Is that the matching blue as well?
That'd be this.
Okay,
That's at the 12 o'clock stripe.
All right, so what are the next steps now that we have the colors approved?
Next steps are to email back to MSO and tell them that you approve the colors. And they'll give us one final set of renders and everything to make sure it's all good.
Yep.
Without options, just the one that we chose.
Yep.
And then they will issue us a quote for you to sign with all the pricing. And as long as everything looks good, we'll double check everything, make sure it's everything you selected. We'll sign it, send it back, and they'll put the car in production.
Amazing. Yay. Okay, let me turn off the engine and let me show you guys this beauty. Oh my God. Hello. Wow. I'm fucking speechless, and I know you guys have heard that a lot on this channel, but look at the paint on this car. I mean, look at everything. We're about to do a full tour, but you guys, I waited over a year for this McLaren. It's completely one of one, fully customized by McLaren factory. This was not aftermarket. This was done in England, and now this was such a dream, and we're gonna go into full detail because I really want you guys to see what they did with this car. First of all, oh my God, I can't get over it. So you guys, McLaren let me build this car from the ground up with them. I got to name everything. I got to name the paint color, the interior leather, everything. It was truly a dream collaboration. Now the paint on this, look at the way it gleams in the sun. It is the hottest Jeffree Star pink with crushed purple and blue pearl in here. It is absolutely magical. And I got to name this paint, and we're calling it Pink Magic. Now, as you can tell, it's fucking magical. Oh my God, I can't get over it. It is so beautiful. And then of course you guys are gonna notice the blue crystal carbon fiber. And that is on the entire body of the car. The accents are everywhere. So of course you see it here. Doesn't it look like crushed diamonds, Chris? I'm obsessed.
It's insane.
It's so beautiful. Everything has the carbon fiber. It is truly insane. Now the wheels, I didn't want to go full Barbie pink. This is the rims that come with the 765. I ordered a lot of crazy features, but I wanted the paint color to be on the rims, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Normally I go really obnoxious, and I do pink, 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 pink. I'm like, let's break it up. Let's do something totally different. And they really mastered it. Now the handle's crazy. Come in here. The handle's nuts on this one. They're all different. All you do is just put your fingers here, bam, and voila, magic. Now some key features that are a little obnoxious. This roof scoop, you guys, cost more than my very first car ever. Okay, let's just put that into perspective. This is a really crazy feature, and you see it goes in the actual car. It is crazy what a roof scoop actually does, and it's really cool for the aerodynamics of the car. It's fucking incredible. Now, I know we're in the shade here, but the back of the car. Now, I just got this, and I ordered my plate months ago. So if you see, yes, Miss Wyoming is officially on the car, and we have our Wonka plate. It's beautiful. But I think my favorite part, of course, the ass of the car, is all this. Like, oh, it's crazy! You guys know I collect cars, right? You know I am obsessed with cars. My cars have been featured on a lot of people's vlogs and other YouTube channels. So you've seen a lot of cars come and go in my garage. This one is so special. When the factory and the brand are willing to work with you and make your dreams a reality, it's like, it's insane. The outside is truly spectacular, but the inside is the cherry on top. Now that exterior is darker. Yes, it's very pink and pink, pink, but inside I wanted to go really light and give a full fantasy. So let's go inside. Okay, look at the inside. Now, the accent color is called Wonka Blue. I'm obsessed with Willy Wonka, and I wanted this car to look like living candy that you could eat. So every detail, from the leather baby pink steering wheel to the blue crystal carbon fiber to all the accents, it is insane. Now these are racing seats from the McLaren Senna, which is the Tiffany blue one I had, and I did have some obnoxious features, Chris. You see what this is? That is a water bottle. So when you're driving really fast in the car, you can put your Red Bull in there, your water, whatever you want. You can easily take a sip from it without moving or doing anything. So you can literally just go, and bam. So it's such a funny, cool feature. And you click this little red button right here, bam, the water bottle pops out. Hi, Red Bull ready. Now we're gonna have to show you some details, so Chris, you're gonna have to come over here because the brakes are blue. I even had the brake and the engine button to go is baby blue. And inside the car, it even says Jeffree Star Pink Magic. So this is a true one-of-one collaboration. Okay, now when you customize a McLaren, your actual keys match the paint. So look how stunning that is. Oh, and MSO stands for McLaren Special Operations, of course. So unreal. Such a dream. So I, of course, you guys know, live in Wyoming mainly, and this car got delivered about a month ago secretly, and I couldn't drive it because I wasn't here, and then I was traveling, and I went to Mexico, and I went to Paris. So I'm finally here, and I'm gonna drive this car around town right now and give it a real test drive. Well, I already bought it, but you guys know what I mean. But we're gonna drive this and take this out to dinner, and I'm just so, I don't know, I'm feeling so grateful and humbled because I always go back to my first car, my first jobs, everything I've experienced in this city to where I am today, and I'm just so grateful. So always remember that the sky's the fucking limit, and I used to tell myself, that's not possible, but anything is possible, and I think I'm the true testament of that. Now, if today couldn't get any more crazier, and I'm revealing my McLaren, I had an old school 1965 Rolls Royce Silver Cloud 3. That's the name of the model. Whew, that's a mouthful. I had that car, and I bought an old, just shitty, rusty vintage one, and I wanted West Coast Customs to transform it. And after a very long wait, the car actually came today before we filmed this video. So I vlogged it coming out of the trailer, but I really want to show you guys it, do a quick walk around as well. And I can't believe I have 2 new cars. Holy shit! Hey y'all, alright, so we're actually filming another YouTube video right now, and I'm vlogging. I'm a little beside myself right now because a car that I turned in to get transformed is finally done almost a year and a half later, I think. And of course it's being delivered right now. Christian, who is editing this, was gonna film the arrival, but they're early, and in LA, no one's early. But the car is here early, so I'm gonna pause this makeup, throw on some sunglasses, and we're gonna go outside real quick and see the delivery of my Rolls Royce 1965 Silver Cloud 3. The car's here, let's go see it. Okay, hashtag what's in the box, bitch. Oh my God, you guys, the car is in this box. And I'm so fucking excited. Now, the owner of West Coast Customs did send me a video yesterday, sneak peek, and my jaw dropped. So let's see what this stunning piece of art looks like in person. Hey, how are ya? This is my 1965 Rolls Royce Silver Cloud 3. She's vintage, she's been fully restored, and she's fucking sick. Woo! Wow. Okay, the engine's loud just like the McLaren, but holy shit, you guys. Now, I forgot about this car, okay? Let me just start right there. I forgot that I turned this car in because I bought it, life was crazy. This is like over a year ago. And I said, West Coast Customs, I really need a full transformation. New engine, new electric, everything has been restored. And this car is she's a stunner. Oh my God. Now, just like the McLaren, I put glitter and crushed pearls in the paint, but I wanted it really subtle and just a whole nother vibe. Look at the license plate. Now in England, the plates are way bigger than America. Obviously you know that, you're from there. Mm-hmm. So they recreated the plates in the back and they put Jeffree Star Edition on the front. It's so cool. Now, all the interior is ice baby pink, metallic leather from Italy, and it came out so unreal. Look at the pearl. It looks like a highlighter palette. Like, it's just, whew, I can't get over it. And the old school white wall wheels, are you kidding me? Like, these are insane. By the way, look at these Crocs. How do we feel? Oh my God. And the butt on this car, sheesh, look at her. Both so different, but so unreal. Like, I'm not used to 2 cars at once, girl. I'm used to 2 guys at once, but 2 cars on the same month is insane, you guys. Hello, LA. She's back. All right, you guys, I'm still at a loss for words. I can't believe that these two are sitting here in my garage. It is truly incredible, and I'm feeling fucking magical. So you hear the engines purring. It's time to go take this around town and give it a whirl. We're gonna do some vlog footage later, and we're gonna test the speed because this car goes so fucking fast. But then the Rolls Royce is a stunner. This is like, I need to be driven in this. I'm in the back seat just reading a book, smoking a blunt, and heading to the office. But you guys, as a true car lover, this is a fantasy I never knew was gonna come to life. So shout out to McLaren, I fucking love you. You made my dream car a possibility. Shout out to West Coast Customs for transforming my Rolls Royce. It is so beautiful. And you guys, I'm shook, but I'll see you on the next video. I love you so much. Now let me get behind the wheel, buckle up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.